Started saying carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide started spraying carbon dioxide into my nostril. Actually, smoke smell is coming when I am standing there, and to lack oxygen and to collapse me, so that these criminals can take over my control. For that purpose, some criminals are there. So many criminals are there to take my control so that they can use my property. 146 cents of land these criminals want to snatch. That for that purpose, these criminals started saying this smoke inside my nostril. That is carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. So that I should lack oxygen. The intake of oxygen should criminal bastards actually after me, those who want my property. Only my relatives, my close relatives acting as my own sister, this and that. That bastard need my property. For that purpose, these criminals are doing all these things. And one BJP criminal is there from whom I got divorced actually. These criminals are having much what like contacts actually whom before I mentioned and sister, the so-called sister and this bastard, criminal bastard actually these criminals want to snatch my property. They are having one illegitimate child actually. For that child these criminals were about to snatch my property and creating stories that I wrote. These are nothing I wrote. I will never in my life will write will. There is no need actually. I am having a daughter and I am having a partner now who is in Delhi. There is no need that for me to write will or this and that. My property will remain in my name till my death actually. Someone another bastard came in this house which is money he came to do drama actually. You all know today Mukum actually booked for a shoe and it came. For that through my account, Flipkart account, and these criminals started doing drama actually. Like the bastard Subramanian was going with their file, this and that. Obviously, he can't even enter my house actually. These criminals also can't enter my house. These criminals are bitter enemies even from my father's time. From my father's time, these criminals are bitter enemies actually and trying to snatch my property.